Good day and welcome back. Today we will continue with our 3D objects and we will be looking at pyramids. If we look at the properties of pyramids, it has a base and it has an apex. How is this different from prisms? A prism has an identical base at the bottom and at the top, whereas a pyramid ends in an apex. The different faces all join at the apex. So if we look, we still have our vertices where the edges meet with a special type of vertex called an apex at the top. We still have our faces and we have our edges where our faces meet. Now, also the shape of our faces is different from a prism. A prism will have rectangular or square faces, whereas pyramids will always have triangular faces. Okay, let's continue. This is a square-based pyramid because its base is a square and therefore it has 4 sides. If we count our faces, we will have this one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the base at bottom, so it will be 5. If we look at our vertices, we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, plus 1 at the top is 5. So we have the same number of faces and vertices in a pyramid. Our edges will be the one at the back, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, 6, 7, 8. So our edges will be double that of our base side numbers. Here's our formula. The faces is the number of base sides plus 1, and the vertices is also the number of base sides plus 1. That plus 1 will be your apex, and then the edges will be the number of base sides multiplied by 2. Let's see if this holds true for everything. If we look at a pentagonal pyramid, the 1 will be our base face, which is a pentagon. The second face will be this triangular face here. The third one will be this one. The fourth one will be this lighter gray one in the front. The fifth one is the one at the back. And the sixth one is this one at the back. So it is 5 sides plus 1 is 6 faces. And note again, our base face is the shape of the pyramid at the base, which also decides what we call the pyramid, and then the side faces are all triangles. So let's see how many vertices we have. 1, that is our apex. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it is the number of sides of our base plus 1, the apex. How many edges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and we missed 1. Let's see if we can do it again. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that is correct because it is a pentagon with 5 sides times 2 will give me a pentagonal pyramid's edges. If you have trouble seeing the number of faces and edges and vertices while it is in 3D form, we can also go and open it up. And when we open up a 3D object, we call it the net. So here's my base. It is still a pentagon. It's my first face, my base face. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 side faces, which are all triangular. And the 5 plus the 1 will give me 6 in total. if I look at the vertices, there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the one at the top where they all meet. They all close and meet at the top, which will be my apex. So it's 5 vertices plus the special one at the top will be 6. If we look at our edges, it will be 1, 2, 4, and 5. Then they share this one, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So it holds true for all pyramids. Stay safe, and I hope that you will join again next time.